A futuristic city built above active rail lines, Hudson Yards. Within it, the Shed and 15 Hudson Yards stand out as examples that go beyond mere architecture, innovatively integrating spatial function and technology. In this video, we explore how these two buildings, the Shed with its massive movable shell, and the 88-story super tall tower, 15 Hudson Yards, have seamlessly integrated city, art, and technology into one. Complex systems, organic spatial flows, and the boundaries where people, art, and technology converge. From this moment on, let's explore the hidden systems of Hudson Yards together. The Shed and 15 Hudson Yards are not simply two separate buildings positioned side by side. The two structures are functionally and organically connected, sharing certain building systems. The Shed's back-of-house spaces, including offices, mechanical rooms, dressing rooms, and storage, are located in the western lower levels of 15 Hudson Yards, especially on the first and basement floors of the residential tower. This is a strategic approach aimed at maximizing the artistic and performance space for the Shed. Mechanical rooms are located on 4th and 6th floors, with 2 mechanical rooms on each floor. The electrical room is located on the 10th floor of the 15 Hudson Yards building, and is connected vertically to the basement levels along the building's core. Ducts and pipes connected to these mechanical rooms pass through the 15 Hudson Yards building and are linked to the Shed. However, since the two buildings are connected by an expansion joint, all ducts and piping systems had to be installed with expansion-compatible components. Each system was designed with flexible spacing at the connection point to allow for independent movement. Next is the mechanical room of 15 Hudson Yards. Since 15 Hudson Yards is a super tall building with 93 floors connected to the Shed, mechanical rooms had to be distributed throughout the tower for safety, efficiency, and maintenance. The first mechanical room is located on the 48th and 49th floors. It serves the residential levels from the 16th to the 26th floor, as well as the condominium facilities spanning the 27th to the 39th floor. The second mechanical room is installed between 90th and 94th floors. It supports the condominium floors from the 63rd to the 89th floor, ensuring comfort and convenience for the residents. Now let's see the Shed's movable exterior shell. This shell is an integrated technological system that incorporates MEP systems including ducts and electrical installations. Inside the shell are HVAC ducts and electrical lines, and because the shell is movable, these systems are designed to be detachable from the fixed building structure. It is able to manually connect or disconnect the ducts and electrical lines as needed, and these flexible connection systems ensure both mobility and functionality of the shell. The mech court, which is the main performance space of the Shed, is designed to freely control all environmental elements including lighting, acoustics, and temperature. To achieve this, the Shed combines a radiant heating system with a variable forced air HVAC system to maximize energy efficiency. The radiant heating warms the space through panels installed in the floor slab, while the forced air system focuses on conditioning only the lower 30% of the occupied zone, providing a comfortable environment with minimal energy use. Additionally, the Shed's internal HVAC system completely circulates the indoor air every 20 minutes, keeping the performance hall clean and comfortable at all times. The HVAC system is monitored in real time via central control panel, tracking shell movement speed, electrical current, torque, temperature, airflow, and position. When the shell is closed, HVAC services are not needed, so the ducts remain disconnected and on standby. However, when the shell opens and event preparations begin, the ducts and electrical connectors located at both ends are manually connected to the fixed structure. These ducts connected to the base of the fixed structure, supplying fresh air into the shell and providing ventilation and climate control. In this way, the shed's movable shell can be described as a massive mechanical device that fully integrates architectural structure with building systems. As the building serves a wide range of purposes, welcoming visitors and staff of the shed, while also accommodating the residents of 15 Hudson Yards, separate access routes and circulation paths have been thoughtfully designed to meet the distinct needs of each group. Residents of 15 Hudson Yards can access the building on foot from West 31st Street, where it connects directly to the plaza. For those arriving by car, entry is available through the parking garage located on West 30th Street, providing direct access into the building. Visitors enter through the main entrance lobby located beneath the High Line on West 30th Street. Additionally, the north entrance connects directly to the 34th Street Hudson Yards subway station, providing easy access via public transportation. Performers and equipment follow a separate circulation path. Vehicles entering from 11th Avenue can directly access the shed's plaza, while deliveries can be made via 30th Street through the loading dock, which is equipped with 2 truck bays and a large freight elevator. Equipment can be transported to the upper floors via underground parking area and dedicated service elevators in 15 Hudson Yards. The service elevator used by performers and technical crew is also located within 15 Hudson Yards. Residents of the rental apartments at 15 Hudson Yards use 2 dedicated elevators, B.PE1 and B.PE2. These elevators connect the cellar, lower lobby, 4th floor, 10th floor, and the residential floors from the 16th to 23rd, providing efficient and comfortable vertical circulation for residents. In particular, the B.PE2 elevator extends down to the SC level, a deep underground floor, ensuring convenient access to parking areas and basement utility zones. This dedicated elevator system is designed to maximize daily convenience, allowing residents to move freely between their apartments and shared amenity floors. For condo residents, a total of 4 dedicated elevators are in operation. These are T.PE1, T.PE2, T.PE/SE3, and T.PE/SE4. Starting from the lower lobby, these elevators pass through the upper lobby and connect to the condo residential floor from the 24th to the 89th floor. They also provide vertical access to premium community spaces such as Wellness Center and lounge located on 50th and 51st floors, allowing residents to seamlessly enjoy high-end amenities connected to the shed as part of their daily lives. This dedicated elevator system most directly embodies Hudson Yards' vision of enhancing quality of life and realizing a vertical city. The precise HVAC system that breathes life into the shed's movable shell, and the efficient circulation design that enabled 15 Hudson Yards' vertical city. These 2 buildings go beyond mere functionality, revealing a future city where people, art, and technology coexist. Hudson Yards poses a question to us: how does a city become art? And how does technology become life? With this, let us remember engineering creativity hidden behind these massive systems and the essence of design for people. Thank you.